Welcome to the Stronger Trades demo. We publish free trade signals for index futures. To use our free service, visit strongertrades.com. On our homepage, we list recent trades from our last week of trading to give you an idea of the results our trade signals can produce. We also have a complete list of recent trades available on our website. When you sign in, these trades are performed using only one contract and represent the minimum amount earned from that trade. If you were to purchase multiple contracts, your earnings will multiply by that amount. To familiarize yourself with our free service, navigate to one of our trade signal pages. There, you will find an entry signal, which will be either a long, cyan, or a short, magenta, colored box. The price shown is always changing, therefore, if you are not a premium trader, you must click the box to refresh the price. The box will contain an entry price with a price gap, points gained or lost since the last signal, ST1%, ST2 value, and the age of the signal. Your next step will be to confirm this information on your trading platform. Once you are familiar, you'll want to sign up for a premium trader or a basic trader account. While the premium trader account provides everything you've seen here, the basic account is limited to the entry and exit signals for micro indexes. Now, let's demonstrate a trade on the TradeStation platform.
You have a signal.
The entry signal says there is a long at 4121.25 on ES, which is exactly where we placed our order. Our order has been filled, and both ST1 and ST2 look favorable. Our exit alert, ST1, is set to 25%, which is a good time to consider setting or moving our stop.
You have a signal.
Now it's time to set our stop. The price shown 4,123 is the target price, but let's wait, since it is still rising.
You have a signal.
So, if you are ready to get started, just visit strongertrades.com.